the most important part of this house were the kalados.
Lalambing siniknik.
Diba? Kasi
Ah,
it was very,
may siniknik namin.
even for me from
Lalambing yan siniknik namin, oh.
we really have to save the house.
Lalambing ang aming Nix.
Still carving the trees there. So we grew all the plants again, yung mga bougainvillea. Some of the trees nahulog dahil sa bagyo. Like the santol, we had akis, we even have chico, pero it died because of old age. Now it's almost 16 years. They all have profession, most naman they were also out. There was one of my aunties, a nun, she's a big sister. Tapos the others were mostly housewives, and they all lived in Manila. But kasi my dad also used to travel from Manila to Clark